Hello guys, welcome to another video. On this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize your turning signals. If your car is like mine, when you like all cars are like this, when you flip it down, it turns the turning signal to the left or to the right. But if you're changing lanes and you just wanna you don't want to activate it all the way, sometimes you just press on the turning signal, and same for the other side without going all the way to activate it. Now, sometimes 3 is not enough for you to change lanes. So there's an option that you can customize it to make it at least 5 clicks on it. So we already plugged our OVD, and now we go into here and we look for 09, which is Central Electrics. So that one right there, click on it, and then we go and look for adaptations. Sorry, my camera is not working well. There you go. And now we look for turn signal. There you go. Turn signal control. You click on it. And now it's going to scan. And now we're going to look for the second option here. I don't speak German, but the one that says Comfort Blinken, that one right there. So you see that it says 3. We want to make it 5. So we click on the little pencil. And then it goes 0 to 5. Current value is 3. So we want to make it 5. And then done. And then here at the bottom it says slide to right. So you put the code in, enter, success. There you go, adaptation accepted. Now let's see, we should have 5 on it. There you go, and then the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So that's a really quick video, guys. I just wanted to show you how it looks. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.